Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer MATIC from Exmo to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets to a secure wallet for better control. MATIC, the native token of the Polygon network, is a popular choice for fast and cheap transactions, and getting it into Arculus, a user-friendly hardware wallet, can really level up your security game. Before we jump in, make sure you have an Exmo account with some MATIC and that your Arculus wallet is set up and ready to receive funds. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Balances section to find your MATIC holdings. Next, look for the Withdrawal option. It's usually under a Withdraw or Send button. Select MATIC from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Now, switch to your Arculus wallet app or device. Open it up, navigate to the Receive section, and generate a new address for MATIC. This address is crucial, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Back on Exmo, paste that Arculus wallet address into the withdrawal form. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Exmo might ask for additional verification, like 2FA, so have that ready. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, and that's it. The transfer is on its way. Processing times can vary, but on the Polygon network, it should be pretty quick, maybe just a few minutes. Keep an eye on your Arculus wallet for the funds to appear. Remember, always be cautious with fees. Check them on Exmo before proceeding. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.